Why doesn't Apple offer a stripped-down Mac that is more affordable?
This is Apple's M4 Mac Mini, and it's now been killing the budget Windows PC market for a full year. I mean, this thing is insanely fast, insanely compact, and the web has exploded with longtime Windows users being super happy with their switch to the Mac Mini. And that was all before this crazy deal on Amazon, only $479. I mean, the value is absolutely insane. I posted this deal on X and it's going viral with over 200K views, and everyone is shocked at this value. So in this video, I'm gonna go through 3 reasons for why this is the best budget PC of all time. But first, I want to address the #1 concern about this $479 deal, and that's the base storage. Yes, it's only 256 gigs, which it is low, and yes, it's going to fill up very quickly. They do have the 512 gig model on Amazon, but it's not as good of a deal at $690. But there is an even better solution, and it is this right here. It's a USB-C hub. You simply put your Mac Mini right on top, you plug it into the USB-C port, but there's a secret on the bottom. Yes, that right there is an M.2 SSD slot, and right now you can get a 1 terabyte SSD for $80 for Black Friday, and you essentially just leave this thing plugged in all the time. And right now this hub is $55 for Black Friday. This is not sponsored, this is just what I have on hand. You can find any other drive you want on Amazon, anything that has a built-in SSD. And altogether, this setup with 1.256 terabytes of total storage is only $613. I'll leave the Amazon links down below to each of these. And now, with that concern dealt with, let's get into the 3 reasons why this is the best budget PC ever made and why it's killing the budget Windows PC market. #1 is the value. $479 on Amazon is insanely hard to compete with because you can't even build a budget do-it-yourself PC for that price anymore. Even with going through the hassle of researching for hours to find the best deals on parts, putting them together without messing something up, and then troubleshooting driver issues and potential blue screens of death due to you buying super cheap components just to get the price down anywhere near this $479 deal. On top of that, RAM prices have recently been skyrocketing. I mean, people all over the web are complaining about RAM being insanely expensive right now and making it so much harder to build a budget DIY PC. I mean, look at this 16 gigs of fast gaming RAM for $160. That's literally a third of the cost of the entire $479 M4 Mac Mini with 16 gigs of base RAM. And since most people will be buying more than 16 gigs for a DIY PC, look at this 32 gig RAM, which is currently $260. Now, compared to all of that budget DIY PC trouble, with the M4 Mac Mini, you simply order it on Amazon with same-day delivery, you plug it in with a single cable into the wall, and that is it. You have an ultra-fast and reliable PC that destroys everything else in its price range, which brings me to reason #2, which is the performance. But first, our sponsor RedTiger's F17 Elite Dashcam is the world's first to have a full night color cabin camera that looks incredible at night. The F17 Elite is a 3-channel camera with 4K resolution on the front, 1080p in the cab, and 2.5K resolution at the back. All 3 cameras look awesome during the day and night, letting you record continuously in either 1, 2, or 3 minute increments with 128 gigs of SD card included, which is really nice. The cameras feature dual Starvis 2 for the best clarity, as well as HDR so it can catch things in direct sunlight. And on top of that, you have so many settings you can adjust, as well as using your voice to control it. And if you want to download the clips to your phone, it has super fast 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi built in. And the best part is that you essentially have 360-degree protection with all 3 cameras, especially with their 24-hour parking surveillance hardwire kit, which is recommended to pair with the F17 Elite for 24/7 parking protection. So if you're in the need of a high-quality dash cam, use the links in the video description or the pinned comment below. Now, jumping back to the M4 Mac Mini's performance, multiple people shouted out Beelink's SER8, which is the same price, but I looked into the performance and the M4 kills it in every single way. As far as single core in Geekbench, the M4 scores 3,828 points, while the B-Link with the Ryzen 8745HS gets 2,500 points. So this is over 50% faster, and this matters for everything you do on your PC, from web browsing to opening up most of your apps, and a lot of tasks also rely a lot on the single core. And as far as multi-core, this thing's 20% faster with over 15,000 points, so it's better for your performance workloads as well. I also found a YouTuber that tested the B-Link in Cinebench 2024 with a 10-minute stress test, and yes, the M4 Mac Mini was just 1 point faster. And the crazy thing is you have the same performance despite the B-Link being 2.5 times larger in terms of cubic inches. And then finally, for graphics, the Mac Mini with the M4 chip got 57,830 points in Metal compared to 32,275 OpenCL for the SER8. That's 80% faster graphics on the M4 Mac Mini. And yes, you can argue that you have better gaming support on the B-Link with Windows, but that graphics performance is terribly slow. It's actually slower than Apple's M1 chip. So trust me, you're not playing any games on that B-Link PC. And finally, for reason number 3, the Mac Mini is a super portable, plug-and-play, all-in-one PC with incredible reliability. There are no drivers to deal with like on Windows. Everything works right out of the box, and it works for years. I actually have a pretty cool story from my older brother Max, where his father-in-law would constantly call him about his Windows PC issues every couple of months, and my brother would have to go fix it every time until he convinced him to buy an old Intel Mac Mini. I mean, this was years ago, and he legit did not get any calls for years. And that was an Intel Mac Mini. The new Apple Silicon ones are so much better, especially the M4. They're so much more reliable than the old Intel models. They're so much more snappy. You get instant on, no slow boot ups, and everything just works perfectly. So if you're the tech guy in your family or your circle of friends, this $479 M4 Mac Mini is the PC that you recommend to your dad, your uncle, your aunt, your grandma. If you can convince them to buy this, you will not hear a peep from them asking for tech support for years, and that right there is why Apple is killing the budget Windows PC market right now. $479 on Amazon to not have to worry about tech issues again. Now that is priceless. Once again, I'll have the links to all this stuff down in the description below. Let me know your thoughts on all of this and this crazy deal. Definitely subscribe above for more videos like this one, and check out that video right there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.